Good morning to all. I am PM Chellapandi from Department of Mathematics. Today I have done my case study on roof gardening. We all know what is roof gardening. Here I am going to present you some tips how we can get the success on roof gardening. Let us see one by one. Roof gardening. First, what do you mean by roof gardening? A small explanation here I am going to give you. Roof gardening is nothing but growing up plants on the roof of a house in pots, containers, constructed beds, or development of an ornamental garden adopting suitable horticulture roof. This is the example for roof gardening. If you look at here, you can get a clear idea of roof gardening. Rapid urbanization, industrialization, land sealing, construction of multi-story buildings, wide roads, offices, markets have resulted in non-availability of land for gardening work in big cities and towns. Ever increasing population in cities and increasing vehicles have resulted in alarming increase in pollution. There is a great need to break monotony and provide relaxation for the tiring mind. Therefore, plant lovers in cities and towns have the only option for roof gardening or indoor gardening. Here, we are going to see how we can do roof gardening. Roof gardening offers opportunity for growing both sun loving and shade loving plants. First, what is the size of the garden? It is depends on availability of area and choice of the owner. Then, what is forms of garden? Formal or informal optimum open space should be kept for lawn making and organizing functions. Now let us see construction of roof. How we can construct a roof. We will see one by one. Roof for garden should be very strong and waterproof. Architects, civil engineers and experts point out that a small cement roof of the building can safely bear at 48 kg per square feet. Water stagnancy can be avoided by lime terracing with provision of proper slope. After construction of roof, it is better to spread polythene sheet of 800 gauge thickness on the roof before making lawn, flowers beds, rockery, etc. Plan of garden should be finalized at the time of construction of the building so that lawn, rockery, ponds, etc. should get necessary brick, cemented edge, protection from soil erosion and holding of water. Now, how we can put soil? Fertile loam, sandy loam or clay loam with sufficient organic matter collected from a cultivated area. This is we needed soil. Depth of soil as per type of plants wise annual, perennial, shrubs, climbers and grass etc. Layout simple and without many garden elements, features with varieties. Size and shape of lawn, flower beds, rockery, water pool, shrubs, bonsai, topiary, etc. should be as per the size of the roof. Lawns and flower beds should be raised to avoid waterlogging during rainy season. This is the example of that. Now you are seeing that this is the structure and construction of our roof lawn. Lawn may be made on any shape in plastic sheets of 800 gauge thickness. Cemented edge should be made around lawn to conserve soil and water. Soil mixture for lawn: 2 pots garden soil, 1 pot leaf mold, 1 pot compost, 1 pot sand. Soil mixture should be treated with 1% formalin. Soil should be pressed and grasses may be planted on the prepared ground by dipping at 10 to 15 centimeter spacing. Suitable grass for roof garden: Japanese grass. The seat of lawn with the polythene beneath can be rolled like a carpet and replaced and moved from place to place as per requirements. Construction of rockery, water pool, bath, gate, etc. These elements can be included in the garden but should be simple and well suited to the plan. This is the example. Manures and fertilizers: adequate dried cow dung and liquid manure are preferable for roof garden. Horticulture roofs in roofing garden: for antheming, suitable house plants and bonsai for roof gardening: Alocasia lily, Anthurium, Asparagus, Plumpsus, Begonia, Defense Papia, Ammonia, Pylanterine, Ceylon Gold, Sandpalia, Syngonium, Poston Fern. These are all the best sample for roof gardening. Here you are seeing some of the trees. I hope you have got a clear idea about how roof gardening by watching this case study. Thank you so much.